All right, so we're on EOG Mini Lesson number 11. We're still doing probability, SP 5 through 8. So a cafeteria staff made lunches, or sandwiches. Each sandwich was either rye or white bread, either ham or turkey, and had cheese or no cheese. The staff member made an equal type of each sandwich and placed them on a tray. Without looking, Mary will choose a sandwich. What are the chances she will get a sandwich with cheese? All right, so I'm going to draw out my possibilities. So I could have gotten rye or wheat bread. I could have gotten ham or turkey. And then on each one, I could have gotten cheese or no cheese. So now I have to figure out, Mary pulls a sandwich at random. What's the probability she will get a sandwich with cheese? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 4 out of 8 isn't an option, so I'm going to have to reduce it. And I get 2/4. That's still not an option. I'll reduce it again. And I get 1/2. All right. Or I could have looked at it and said, there are 2 different options for cheese, cheese or no cheese. So that would be 1 out of 2. Jo wants to pick out an outfit for the school dance. She can choose from 3 pairs of pants, 5 shirts, and 2 pairs of shoes. How many different outfits does she have to choose from? Well, I can choose from 3 pairs of pants. 1, 2, 3. I can choose 5 shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can choose 2 pairs of shoes. And then I'm just going to count the ends of my green lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I think it's C. The other way I could do it is 3 times 5 times 2. So 3 times 5 is 15 times 2 is 30. The spinner will be spun twice. What is the probability of getting an odd number both times? Well, my odds are 1 and 3 out of 4. So that's 2 out of 4. And I'm spinning it twice, so 2 out of 4. So that's 4 out of 16. I need to reduce it, so I'm going to divide by 4. Get 1 out of 4. Jamal, Gary, Charlie, and Brian are going to stand in a line, one behind the other. In how many different ways can they stand in the line? So I can list out my possibilities. I can say Jamal is in front, Gary is in front, Charlie is in front, Brian's in front. Okay, but once one kid is in front, they can't be in any other position in the line, because wherever you are in the line, that's where you are. So then I could do Gary, Charlie, Brian. I could do Charlie, Brian, Jamal. I could do Jamal, Gary, Brian. And I can do Jamal, Gary, Charlie. Well, okay, so I went from 4 options to 3. So then there are 2 options for the next part. Because if Jamal, Gary, then the only next choices are Charlie or Brian. If I go Jamal, Charlie, then the only choices are Gary or Brian. If I go Jamal, Brian, the only choices are Gary and Charlie. So I could do this, I could write this all the way out for all of them, or I could notice the pattern. I have 4 choices, then 3, then 2. So my last block is only going to be 1 choice, right? Because it's got to be 4 kids in a line. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So if you have any questions, let me know. There is no cool down today. What? I'll talk to you tomorrow, or I'll see you next time you're in class. Bye.